I will be performing a skin assessment and pain assessment. This will help us identify your comfort level and will understand your overall well-being. This assessment will not cause you any pain or discomfort. May I ask if you are okay with it?
Yes.
Can I touch your skin, ma'am? Ma'am, can I pinch your skin? So now, ma'am, I am done with your skin assessment. I will proceed now to your pain assessment. Is it okay for me to ask you some questions?
Sure.
Are you experiencing any pain right now?
Yes, in my back.
Where is it located?
Mine.
When did it start?
Last week.
How would you describe the pain? Is it dull, aching, or point?
Is it aching?
Aching. Does the pain radiate anywhere? On a scale of 0 to 10, how would you rate your pain?
7.
Is the pain constant or intermittent?
Constant.
Have you had any previous experience with pain?
Yes.
Does anyone in your family experience the same pain?
No.
How does the pain affect your family? What are your concerns about your pain? So that sums up our skin and pain assessment, ma'am. Thank you for your cooperation.
Thank you. Good day, ma'am. I am student nurse Aikoy Salvania, and today I'm going to performing a skin assessment and pain assessment today. This will help us understand your comfort and overall condition. This procedure will not cause any discomfort. So may I proceed, ma'am? So, ma'am, can I hold your hand and touch your skin?
Sure.
Ma'am, I'm going to check your elbow. I am all done. Can I proceed to the pain assessment? Is it okay for you that I'll ask you a few questions?
Yeah.
Are you experiencing any pain right now?
Yes.
Where is the pain located?
At my back.
When did it start?
Last year.
How would you describe the pain?
It's aching and bad.
Does the pain radiate anywhere?
No.
On a scale of 0 to 10, would you rate your pain?
6.
Is the pain constant or intermittent?
Intermittent.
Have you had any previous experience with the pain?
Yeah, I experienced this pain before.
Does anyone in your family experience pain?
No.
How does the pain affect your family? What are your concerns about the pain? So, ma'am, is it all done? That's complete the skin assessment, observation, and pain assessment. Thank you for your cooperation. I will document your report, my findings to the clinical instructor. Thank you, ma'am.